Hey Herb.
Sir.
I think we're good.
Yeah?
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, buddy.
Should have put a bottle
In front of the EK, big old one. Power steering.
Oh, if I had an EF sedan in my thumbnail, people are gonna go crazy, bro. Yo, he's got an EF sedan.
Am I? Hating you. Whose car is it?
Blue balls.
Tomorrow, right? Or right now?
Hey.
Let's go. Let's
What?
bust them out.
Do the blue balls.
We're burning daylight. Let's do them.
You wasn't in the live stream that did the sour candy?
I missed that one too. I
I
felt
just
dying.
tried.
Lizard! There's a lizard! Oh, I love him. I'm gonna call him.
Hey, Larry.
I'm gonna call him Josh.
Larry. His name is Larry.
Larry the lizard.
I just joined the live when Nomis was saying that you had to take sour
Oh,
candy, and I
he's
said, "Oh, he's
making
not sharing
things.
then."
Give him a drop of
I don't
your
remember.
drink.
I don't really read the chat.
He's on the fabric.
Larry. Larry.
Dude, lizards are so cool.
The Blair Witch
This is all gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be YouTube famous.
What is he doing?
World
Please.
star. Yeah.
Bro, I haven't had one in a minute. It's been a while. It's a little bit. Yeah, it's cool right there. Awesome, man. Thank you. Oh boy.
Now.
Actually, one fits back here.
Yeah, one foot right.
Damn.
Open up.
Wheels worth more than my own car.
There you go.
You know damn well about his past. I knew it better in 5 seconds that I knew him. But,
No.
not bad.
We can conquer the world. It will be our thing. Like how your Uncle Bob and Darren have model trains. Those will be our model trains.
Noodle, stop!
Do you mind? Considering my son's evil here.
Noodle, if you become evil, we can't be friends anymore. Wait, we're friends?
What is going on, you guys? Sorry for the super late intro. I mentioned in the previous video that we were prepping the KRX for a road trip. We are currently out here in central LA and we are headed to a car meet tomorrow. It's called the USDM Super Meet, and I was out here last year with the wagon. We were able to race the wagon down the 8th mile at Irwindale Drag Strip. That is where it's going to be hosted. I actually came a little bit earlier this time. I routed my plan ahead of time, so the first stop was Lazy Man Garage. We kind of just pulled up on Chris. He didn't even know I was showing up, and it's always nice to surprise the guy, and I know he's always home. So we pulled up. I hung out with Chris and Robert, and we was just chopping the shit for a few hours, and then it was also Chris's birthday the next day, which is today. So happy birthday, Chris, man. I hope you spent it well with your friends and family. After that, I took off deeper into LA to go meet up with some of my other friends to just kind of have a chillax rest of our night. We had a pop-up meet hosted by the TCS squad, and we met up some of you guys, which was freaking cool, and check out some of y'all whips. Some of you guys even gifted me a few items, and I truly do appreciate it. I thank you guys so much for even like going out of the way of doing so. So you guys already know, if you guys send me anything or gift me anything, I will try my best to put everything to usage. After the meet, we crashed inside the car, living a little bit of car life slash van life, because Herb was parked right next to me, and he also provided some of the things that he used on your night and day, you know, living out of a car. So that was a hell of an experience with my big body self and my small little CRX. But I tell you what, we slept 9 hours with like maybe toss and turning once or twice, because the light of cars coming in and out flashing in my face and stuff, because obviously the shades weren't like fitted to my CRX. But nonetheless, we slept like a baby. We woke up super early and we got our day started, which you guys saw kind of this back half of the video. We headed over to my friend's place to work on Moose's sedan. You guys are probably tripping out because you thought it was probably my car or something, but it's not. And we did some work to her car. You guys saw all the little things that we did. I wasn't really trying to record a lot of like talking and things like that, because I was really just trying to enjoy the moment. I don't come out here often, I don't see them often, so I was really just enjoying the moment, and I hope you guys enjoyed the trip too. Like I try to take you guys along all of the little things we were doing, and we're squeezing it all into this vlog, because the meet tomorrow, it's going to be its own, and I'm going to try and make it a fun one. We brought the Burnett's world's most sourest candy, and a lot of the subscribers said they were down to try it, and we're gonna try to vlog it, do some car things, watch some racings, and just really overall have a great vibe out there tomorrow. So it is currently 3 o'clock right now. I'm supposed to wake up in like 4 hours. So I'm gonna wrap it up right here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you guys want to stick around for the sour ball reaction or the car meet itself to check out some sick whips, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. This is like literally exclusive to you guys, man. Like, I don't ever show you guys in my tank top, but hope you guys enjoy my sexy self.